Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop and disable firewall on CentOS 7. Click Applications. Click System Tools. Click Terminal. Type systemctl space. Disable space. Firewall. Type your password. Type your password. Type systemctl space. Stop space. Firewall. Type your password. Type systemctl space. Status space. Firewall. Firewall is successfully disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.